This is it for now, my friend, because I only have how many pupils in the morning. The rest will be in the afternoon. Excited na siya. Thank you, Max.
Thank you, Max.
Pakan mo, this is what you like? Huh? And the toys is, you will pick it. Thank you, Max. Karon. Thank you, Max. Thank you so much, Max. Upo na, ti. Kain na doon. Thank you, Max. Anong ang pangan mo, Day? Namit, Day? Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Hi, Ted. Mas cool ka sunod adlaw, ha? Opo.
Ninang mo.
Yummy? Kabalo ka? Kabalo ka na. Very good. Nauna, tanda na yan na. Kasi nato man si Una.
Yes, yes.
That's what you choose? Okay. Tara. Tapos nakagpaon?